morning, guys. I know that I haven't been making videos lately. I am at my mum's place now. Like, permanently, I guess. Sorry, I've got like hiccup things happening to me today. Ugh, my arm's hurting. Yeah. I only just got up like, when? Well, actually I haven't been to sleep, so that's why I look like crap. And I don't have any makeup on because I need new eyeliner. I have the computer. Dad dropped it off this morning. And I will be going through it completely and getting all my stuff off it, and then I just have to wait until Dad gets me the computer he said he's going to get me, which will be after his tax comes, which shouldn't be too long, I hope. Anyway, today is the 18th of November, and I'm like just looking outside because it's actually the Camp Quality Truck Convoy today. The motorbikes and that have already gone past, and they're like the start of the whole thing. Like, you have a whole bunch of bikes and stuff with people like dressed up or wearing like really cool clothing and stuff, and then you have to wait like half an hour or so before the trucks come, so that's really cool. And all the trucks are like massive big things, and like they're just everything. Yeah, I think the reason I haven't been making videos lately is because the computer I've been stuck with at Mum's place doesn't have, it's a really old one, and it doesn't have any form of webcam or any sort of camera, and I buy like a separate one, and yeah, I just can't really be bothered. Mum has a webcam, but I can't be bothered using it because, like, I don't know how, but yeah. I went to, another reason I haven't been doing videos is because I'm actually having to go to school now, and I went to see the doctor Tuesday because I felt sick, and then Mum's like, you're not staying home unless you go to the doctor. I was like, fine, I go to the doctor. So we went to the doctor, and I told him like, oh, I'm not sleeping properly and all this stuff, and so he sent me to a psychiatrist or a shrink, and I went to see them Thursday. And he said that I was, what did he say? I forget, but it was, I've got some like mild signs of like depression or something like that, but not so much that I'm like going to snap at any moment and like do something to hurt myself or some shit like that. I forget. Yeah, I had this, sorry. I must have like this preordained thing in my head that shrinks are creepy, and to be honest, it wasn't that bad, but I don't know, it just, yeah. I think not last week, the week before, maybe? Wait. I forget. like either last week or the week before that, I got my nails professionally done. Cost like $55, so I was like, ugh. And this one, she has a bruise on it, the red bit, like none of the others have. That's because when I got it done like the day after, I accidentally hit it on the couch and it was like, ow. So yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm so freaking tired. Mum and I went on like a huge lolly spree out in the lolly shop at Albion Park, and I got like so many cans of Sherry Coke, and I've got so many lollies. It's so funny. Ow. I also went shopping yesterday with my friend Tia, and I actually was like, I was going to buy a new eyeliner, but I'm like, no. So what was I going to? Oh, I forget. Oh, I bought new like pastel nail polish, and I bought a Chi eau de parfum, so like perfume, and it's actually like persimmons and stuff, and it's really really nice. It was actually the nicest one of the ones that were there, and yeah. Tia asked me if I was. Can't talk. I am going to Queensland again with Tia, and I forgot what I was saying. Sorry. I'm like doing 50 million things at once. Oops. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to Queensland with Tia and her grandmother. We will be going to some theme parks. I don't think we're going to all of them. But we're definitely going to SeaWorld, Wet n Wild, and I think the other one we chose was Dreamworld. Was it Dreamworld? Yeah, because I didn't want to go to Movie World. And I didn't want to go to Whitewater World either, so, like, yeah. So, that's at the end and start of December, January. So, like, right in the middle of frickin' summer. I was like, okay. So, yeah. And then, like, you know. So, we'll probably be, like, up there. Apparently going up there for 10 days, so I don't know if we should be back before my birthday, which is on the 11th of January. Well, here's hoping anyway. So okay. So it's getting really windy and the clouds are all like lightish grey in here. What?
Nothing. What's some convoy about what's going on?
Yeah, trucks haven't come past yet. None. Some woke grandmothers just won't leave you alone. I forget what I was saying now. What was I saying? I don't remember. Oh, I've been really into like K-pop and stuff lately, which is kind of funny because I used to like J-rock and J-pop and stuff like that, which is Japanese pop and Japanese rock, and now like Korean pop and stuff. It's like, okay, nah, but like I've had this major obsession with like Super Junior and Girls' Generation and what's the other one? I forget the other one. There's another one. I think it's Psy. You know, I can't say her name right. But yeah, Super Junior's like my favorite out of every single one I've ever seen. Like, oh my god, it's like, why are they so cute? Oh my god, I just like die every time I see a music video because they're all just sexy. Yeah. I have my top 5 of Super Junior. There's 15 members of the actual band, and I have a top 5 out of them. I have it goes Yisung, Donghae. I'm trying to put them in order because Yisung, Donghae, Ryuk, Lituk, and Eunhyuk. I don't know if I said the names right. Like Yisung and Donghae have pretty like easy, but Ryuk, Lituk, and Eunhyuk are like really weird spelling. So it's just like, how do I say your name? So yeah. There's not much more I can tell you guys. I might film the truck convoy, but you guys probably don't want to see that because it's going to be like loud. Like they're so loud. It's not even funny. I don't even know how I'd do it. I don't even know how. I don't. The camera's there, so if I put it there, you know, they get like tree and stuff. I don't know, because both my things are fucking annoying. Yeah, my windows are actually like sealed shut too. So fucking annoying. Oh well. Yeah, I'll see if I'll see. I might film a convoy, and if it's like really long video, really loud, I won't post it, but oh well. That's basically it for now. And I have like no inspiration for videos lately. I'm just being a retard. So leave comments down below of what you want me to do, like what you want to see. Leave suggestions for videos and stuff like that. So yeah. That's it. Okay. I'm leaving now. I have shit to do. Love you guys. Bye. Turn off.